I'm Dr. Christine Ong. We're going to talk about the Invisalign today.
What is the difference between gold, platinum, and platinum plus?
So Invisalign has an award system, and then it uses to highlight those dentists who are expert in their system.
So how do you upgrade your status from like gold, platinum, and platinum plus then?
Like I said, Invisalign is an award system, so we have to see a certain amount of the patient every 6 months. So then Invisalign is kind of ranked, based on the patient's cases the dentists have done.
So basically, if you don't meet their require or certain number of the patient every 6 months.
Every 6 months.
So you might be drop it from platinum plus to platinum to the gold like that way?
Oh, no.
I know it's not gonna be happen, but yeah. But that's the exactly system, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, Dr. Hong, I think this is like everybody asks you a question daily basis. Why people need to choose Invisalign versus other clear aligners?
Yeah, I got those questions almost like every day. There are so many clear aligner out there. So such as Smile Direct and True Smile, there's tons of clear aligners, but they're not treated by dentists. So I have a lot of patients, they have done with the Smile Direct, and then maybe alignment is okay, but their bite is completely off, so they couldn't even bite or they couldn't even chew.
Okay, Dr. Hong, I have one more question. The question is, what is exactly different between Invisalign versus other clear aligner? Why should I choose Invisalign over clear aligner?
To be honest with you, Invisalign works, but other clear aligners never work.
So what do you mean never works and others not working and Invisalign work? What do you mean?
My previous, before I took over the practice, the previous dentist used a different clear aligners, and then I had to finish the cases, and then I couldn't. So I switched all the patients to Invisalign to complete the case successfully. So basically, the material is different, and then also the Invisalign, invest a lot of money to make this clear aligner, and then also the Invisalign is very comfortable when the patient is wearing, but the other clear aligners, it pinched gum and then has a lot of problem.
And then I heard about it. Invisalign the patient must visit the dentist in order to have a Invisalign. But how about other clear aligner? I saw the commercial. I can just call them, or I can send them photos, video. They're using app to diagnose the condition of the patients. So what does it really work, or what do you recommend as a dentist?
So when the patient comes here for the consultation of Invisalign, we collected all, as many data as we need, but every time I just take a picture, the picture is really important too to diagnose the patient's conditions. And then I ask them, can you bite? And the patients always bite like that. So they don't know how to bite correctly. And then they just take a picture with the wrong occlusion, and then they just start making, like a liner. So that's why it's not gonna work.
So basically, it's like it's hard to compare. You take an online course versus actually in-person course then.
Yeah, similar.
Similar, something like that. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Hong, today.
Thank you.